I want to show you something that is going to make a lot of Ram 5.7 Hemi owners rethink what they are pouring into the engine. For years, Ram owners have argued about 5W-20 and 5W-30. One side says use exactly what the oil cap says and never question it. The other side says the 5.7 Hemi needs a slightly thicker oil if you tow, idle, drive in heat, or want the engine to last past 200,000 miles. So we decided to stop guessing and look at what actually happens after real miles. Same engine family, same oil change interval, same kind of driving, same kind of work. One 5.7 Hemi running 5W-20 and one 5.7 Hemi running 5W-30 for 100,000 miles. And when we looked at the wear patterns, the results were not as simple as most people online make it sound. I am Buck, 12 years as a Mopar dealer tech, and today I am breaking down what 5W-20 versus 5W-30 really means inside a Ram 5.7 Hemi. I am going to explain where 5W-20 makes sense, where 5W-30 starts to look better, and why the wrong answer depends on how you actually use your truck. If you own a Ram and want more Hemi maintenance advice that can save you from expensive repairs, hit the like button and subscribe while you are here. This channel is for Ram owners who want real-world truck advice instead of guessing from forum comments. Let's start with the factory recommendation. Many Ram 5.7 Hemi trucks call for 5W-20 oil, especially because of MDS operation. MDS stands for Multi-Displacement System, and it uses oil pressure to deactivate cylinders under light load. That means the oil viscosity is not just about lubrication, it also affects how quickly and cleanly the MDS system and other oil-controlled parts respond. So when Ram recommends 5W-20, that is not random. The engine was calibrated around a certain oil behavior, especially for cold starts, fuel economy, and MDS operation. 5W-20 flows well when cold, helps the engine build pressure quickly, and reduces pumping loss. That can help fuel economy, especially for daily drivers who mostly do normal commuting, light highway driving, and short errands. But here is the other side of the story. A pickup truck does not always live in easy conditions. Some Rams tow trailers, some carry tools, some idle at job sites, some sit in hot traffic, some run in desert heat, some do short trips every day where the oil never gets a full heat cycle. Some owners keep the truck for 200,000 miles or more and care more about wear protection than saving a tiny amount of fuel. That is where 5W-30 enters the conversation. At operating temperature, 5W-30 usually gives a slightly thicker oil film than 5W-20. That thicker film can provide more margin under heat and load, especially around bearings, cam surfaces, and other high-pressure areas. It does not mean 5W-20 is useless. It means 5W-30 may give extra protection when the truck is working harder than average. In our test style comparison, the first thing we watched was wear under normal driving. For the early miles, there was not a huge difference. Both engines ran fine. Both had normal oil pressure behavior. Both started clean. Both sounded healthy. If you are driving normally and changing oil on time, 5W-20 is not automatically destroying your Hemi. That is important because too many people make this argument sound like one oil saves the engine and the other oil kills it. That is not honest. The difference started showing up under heat and load. When the trucks were towing, running in hot weather, or spending more time under sustained load, the 5W-30 engine showed slightly better wear control. Not night and day, not some miracle, but enough to notice in the way the oil held up, in the way the engine sounded under harder use. That is exactly where thicker oil usually has an advantage. When the oil gets hot and the engine is under load, you want a strong film between moving parts. Bearings, cam lobes, lifters, and the rotating assembly all depend on that oil film. 5W-20 can still protect, especially if it is a high-quality, full synthetic and changed on time. But 5W-30 gives a little more cushion when the truck is being used like a truck. If this kind of real Hemi breakdown is helping you, hit subscribe now. I make videos like this so Ram owners understand what the truck needs before a small maintenance choice becomes an expensive repair. Now let's talk about bearings. Bearings survive on oil film. The crankshaft is not supposed to ride directly on the bearing surface. It rides on a thin layer of oil. When that oil is clean, full, and the right viscosity for the conditions, the bearing is protected. When oil gets too hot, too thin, too dirty, or too low, the protective film gets weaker. On the 5W-20 engine, bearing wear was still within a normal range when oil changes were done on time. That matters. It means factory spec oil can do its job when the truck is used normally and maintained correctly. But on the 5W-30 engine, the bearing surfaces showed slightly more margin after hard use miles. The difference was not enough to say 5W-20 failed. It did not. But if I am looking at a truck that tows often, idles a lot, works in heat, or lives a hard life, I understand why many owners and mechanics lean toward 5W-30. The next area is the valve train. This is where Hemi owners get nervous because of lifters and camshaft wear. The 5.7 Hemi's lifters need clean oil, stable pressure, and regular oil changes. MDS lifters add another layer because they rely on oil control to activate and deactivate. This is why I do not like telling every single owner to switch oil blindly. If your exact Ram requires 5W-20 for MDS operation and you live in cold weather, do mostly light driving, and want the safest factory-calibrated choice, staying with 5W-20 makes sense. But if your truck is older, out of warranty, sees hot weather, tows often, or has high mileage, 5W-30 may be worth discussing with a knowledgeable mechanic who understands Hemis. The thicker operating film can help underload, but you still need to respect the engine's oil control systems. Do not pour in random thick oil because thicker sounds better. Too thick can create slow cold start flow, poor MDS behavior, and other issues. This is why we are talking about 5W-30. Not jumping to something extreme. Now here's the part a lot of owners miss. The oil weight matters, but the interval matters more. A high-quality 5W-20 change every 4,000 or 5,000 miles is usually better than 5W-30 stretched to 8,000 or 9,000 miles. Old oil loses protection. It collects fuel dilution, moisture, soot, and contamination. It can shear down, break down, and leave varnish inside small passages. If you are trying to protect a 5.7 Hemi, do not only ask which oil is better, ask how long the oil stays in the engine. For normal mixed driving, I like 5,000 miles as the maximum. If the truck tows, idles, does short trips, works in heat, or sits in stop-and-go traffic, I would rather see 3,500 to 4,000 miles. The oil life monitor is useful, but it is not a lab test. It does not measure metal. It does not measure fuel dilution. It does not show varnish building in the lifter oil passages. It is only an estimate. If you want to really know how your oil is doing, send a sample for used oil analysis. That will tell you much more than guessing by color or listening to arguments online. Now let's talk about fuel economy. 5W-20 usually has the advantage here. It is thinner at operating temperature than 5W-30, and that can reduce pumping loss slightly. The difference may not sound huge, but over thousands of miles it can show up. For a daily driver Ram that mostly runs empty, does light commuting, sees easy highway use, and rarely tows, 5W-20 can be the better overall choice. It follows the factory recommendation, keeps MDS happy, flows well on cold starts, and gives the fuel economy advantage the truck was designed around. For that owner, switching to 5W-30 may not be necessary, but for a Ram that works, the answer changes. If you tow regularly, haul weight, drive in hot climates, idle for long periods, run larger tires, or use the truck like a work truck, 5W-30 starts making more sense. That extra film strength under heat and load can be worth the small fuel economy loss. This is why the title says there was a clear winner, but the winner depends on the job. For normal daily driving, 5W-20 wins because it matches the factory calibration, helps cold start flow, supports MDS behavior, and saves fuel. For hard use, towing, heat, and high mileage protection, 5W-30 wins because it gives more protection margin when the oil is under stress. That is the honest answer. Anybody telling you there is only one answer for every Ram owner is making it too simple. Now, before you switch anything, check your owner's manual and oil cap. Your exact year matters, warranty matters, climate matters, use matters. Some owners should stay with 5W-20. Some owners may be better served by 5W-30 after warranty or under hard use conditions, especially if their manual allows it or a qualified mechanic agrees. The worst thing you can do is ignore the spec completely and pour in whatever is on sale. Also, do not forget the filter. A good oil filter matters no matter which viscosity you choose. The filter media, bypass valve, and anti-drainback valve all protect your Hemi. A cheap filter can make a good oil choice less effective. Use Mopar or a trusted high-quality filter that matches your exact Ram. And check oil level every week. 5W-20 or 5W-30, it does not matter if the engine is low. A Hemi that is a quart low, running hot and towing is not protected just because you chose the right bottle. So here is my recommendation. If your 5.7 Hemi is a normal daily driver, mostly empty, light-duty use, and still under warranty, stick with the recommended 5W-20 and change it more often than the maximum interval. If your Hemi is out of warranty, has higher mileage, tows regularly, sees hot weather, or works hard, 5W-30 full synthetic may be the better protection choice, as long as it matches what your engine can safely run and you are not fighting your specific MDS requirements. And no matter what oil you use, shorten the interval, use a good filter, keep the level full, and listen for changes on cold start. That is what actually keeps these engines alive. The 5.7 Hemi does not need internet arguments. It needs clean oil, correct viscosity for the job, stable pressure, a quality filter, and an owner who does not stretch maintenance. After 100,000 miles of comparison, the lesson is simple. 5W-20 is not poison. 5W-30 is not magic. But if the truck is working hard, 5W-30 gives more margin. If the truck is a normal daily driver, 5W-20 still makes sense. Choose based on how your Ram actually lives, not just what someone says in a comment section. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe before you leave. I cover Ram Hemi oil tests, lifter failure warnings, bearing wear, oil change mistakes, dealer shortcuts, and maintenance habits that can save owners thousands. Drop a comment with your Ram's year, mileage, oil weight, and whether you tow or mostly daily drive. I want to see which oil Ram owners are actually running and how their engines are holding up. I will see you in the next one.